Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2001 20-inch 75 horse Mercury 4-stroke. This is carbureted. Compression came back at 160 psi on all 4 cylinders. We did new spark plugs, new impeller, cleaned the fuel filter, cleaned the carburetors, new lower unit lube, pressure tested the lower unit as well. None of the seals are leaking or anything like that. This will come with a new OEM control box, and we'll go ahead and fire it up here for you. Got good water spraying out the front here. I will not rev this engine all the way up once again. Raining a little bit here. Back to neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Tilt and trim does work. Both here on the remote, also on the side of the motor right here. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. There you go. If you're interested, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.